The next industrial revolution is happening now, inside silicon wafers and digital networks. You can be part of it. But how do you invest in a future built by algorithms and microchips? Today we'll look at 3 companies not just riding the AI wave, but building it: the king of silicon manufacturing, the digital titan weaving AI into our lives, and a mobile powerhouse connecting millions through AI. This isn't just stock picking, it's a deep dive into the engines of our AI-powered future. We'll unpack what makes these giants indispensable, their growth, and their moats in tomorrow's world. Understanding these companies is crucial for any investor navigating the AI landscape. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Now, let's get into it. Let's start at the foundation: hardware. In a world obsessed with software, apps, and digital experiences, it's easy to forget that every bit of code, every AI model, and every digital interaction ultimately relies on something tangible: the silicon chips at the heart of our devices. For all the talk of clouds and algorithms, AI runs on physical processors. These chips are the unsung heroes, quietly powering everything from your smartphone to the world's most advanced supercomputers. Without them, none of the magic of artificial intelligence would be possible. And one company stands above the rest: Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, ticker symbol TSM. While the world marvels at the latest AI breakthroughs, TSMC is the silent force making it all possible, working behind the scenes to push the boundaries of what's technologically achievable. TSMC is a pure-play foundry. You won't see their logo on your devices, but they manufacture chips for Apple, Nvidia, AMD, and Qualcomm. These are the brands you know, but it's TSMC's engineering and manufacturing prowess that brings their visions to life. Their focus on manufacturing has led to decades of research and billions invested, making them the undisputed masters of semiconductor fabrication. Every year, they push the limits of physics, shrinking transistors and increasing performance in ways that seem almost impossible. The barriers to entry are enormous. Building a leading-edge fab takes years and tens of billions. TSMC's moat is the Grand Canyon of tech. The sheer scale, expertise, and capital required to compete at this level make it nearly impossible for new players to catch up. When Nvidia designs a revolutionary AI GPU, TSMC is the only manufacturer that can deliver at scale and at the cutting edge. Their ability to mass-produce the world's most advanced chips is unmatched, making them the go-to partner for the most ambitious tech companies. The AI models of today, like ChatGPT, are power-hungry, requiring specialized chips. Demand for these is exploding, and TSMC is at the heart of this boom. Every new AI milestone, every leap in capability drives even more demand for TSMC's advanced manufacturing. As Nvidia's sales skyrocket, a huge portion of that revenue flows through TSMC's state-of-the-art facilities. They're the arms dealer in the AI gold rush, supplying the essential tools that everyone else needs to compete. TSMC leads with 3nm and 2nm process technologies, a quantum leap in performance and efficiency. These chips are so advanced they're measured in atoms, not millimeters, representing the pinnacle of human engineering. Investing in TSMC isn't a bet on one AI app, it's a bet on the entire ecosystem and the relentless demand for computational power. As the digital world expands, so does the need for faster, more efficient chips, and TSMC is at the center of this ever-growing market. Their position is secure, but not without risks. The geopolitical importance of Taiwan is a factor, but it also highlights TSMC's irreplaceable role. The world's dependence on their chips makes them a strategic asset, not just for companies, but for entire nations. Governments and corporations depend on them, translating into pricing power and long-term contracts. TSMC's influence extends far beyond the tech sector, shaping global supply chains and economic strategies. TSMC is a strategic partner, working closely with companies like Apple and Nvidia years in advance. Their collaborations start long before a product hits the market, ensuring that the most advanced technology is ready when the world needs it. Financially, TSMC boasts strong revenue growth, healthy margins, and consistent dividends. It's a rare mix of stability and explosive potential. Investors get the best of both worlds, a company with deep roots and a future full of possibility. They're expanding globally, building new fabs in the US and Japan to meet demand and reduce geopolitical risk. This global footprint not only secures their supply chain but also cements their status as a truly indispensable player in the tech world. TSMC provides the essential, tangible goods that make AI possible, the picks and shovels in the digital gold rush. Just as miners once relied on tools to unearth gold, today's tech giants rely on TSMC to unlock the next wave of innovation. Their work is incredibly complex, with fabs cleaner than hospitals and processes involving hundreds of steps at the atomic level. Each chip is a marvel of precision, crafted in environments where even a single speck of dust can ruin months of work. Intel and Samsung are competitors, but TSMC maintains its edge in the most advanced nodes, critical for AI. Their relentless innovation keeps them ahead, setting the pace for the entire industry. The AI boom is creating a tidal wave of demand for advanced chips, and TSMC is the primary builder. As more industries adopt AI, the need for TSMC's expertise and capacity will only intensify. As AI integrates into more devices, the need for specialized processing will only grow, a long-term tailwind for TSMC. From smart cars to connected homes, their chips are becoming the nervous system of the modern world. Their role is so fundamental it's like investing in the electricity grid during the Industrial Revolution. TSMC is the infrastructure powering the next era of human progress, enabling breakthroughs we can't even imagine yet. Without TSMC, AI innovation would slow to a crawl. They're the silent partner behind almost every major tech breakthrough, quietly enabling the future while the spotlight shines elsewhere. TSMC isn't flashy, but it's arguably one of the most important companies in the world today. Their influence is felt in every corner of the digital economy, even if most people never see their name. It's a foundational investment in the fabric of the AI revolution, a bet on Moore's law, and the insatiable demand for computing power. As long as technology advances, TSMC's relevance and value will only grow. Every new AI model, every breakthrough, likely runs on a chip built by TSMC. Their fingerprints are on the future, shaping the world in ways most of us will never see. That's the power and the investment thesis behind TSMC, the unseen hand building the future one atom at a time. Now let's move up the stack to the real brains of the operation: software, data, and research. This is where the magic happens, where raw computing power is transformed into intelligence that shapes our digital lives. At the very top of this stack sits Alphabet, ticker GOOG, the parent company of Google, an undisputed giant in the world of artificial intelligence. AI isn't just a tool for Alphabet, it's embedded in the company's DNA. From the earliest days, Google's founders envisioned a world where information could be organized and made universally accessible through intelligent algorithms. Every Google search you make, every YouTube video that pops up in your recommendations, every spam email filtered out of your Gmail inbox, these are all powered by sophisticated AI systems working behind the scenes, learning and adapting in real time. But Alphabet isn't just using AI to improve its products. It is, at its core, an AI company. Their acquisition of DeepMind, a world leader in artificial intelligence research, led to breakthroughs like AlphaGo, which defeated the world champion at Go, and AlphaFold, which revolutionized protein folding predictions, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Their relentless commitment to fundamental research means Alphabet has a pipeline of innovation that's virtually unmatched in the industry. Teams of scientists and engineers are constantly exploring new frontiers, from natural language processing to robotics and beyond. But what truly sets Alphabet apart is its data. With billions of users across Search, YouTube, Android, and Maps, Alphabet has access to an unrivaled dataset. This massive flow of information is the fuel that powers its AI engines, enabling smarter, more personalized experiences for users everywhere. Their flagship AI, Gemini, is now being woven into the fabric of all Google products, Search, Workspace, and more. This integration is unlocking entirely new monetization paths, from smarter productivity tools to advanced search capabilities and even creative content generation. Google Cloud Platform, while currently third in the cloud market, is leveraging AI to attract developers and enterprises. Their custom hardware, like tensor processing units, gives them a unique edge, enabling faster and more efficient AI workloads that competitors struggle to match. Alphabet's AI ambitions don't stop at search or productivity. They extend into self-driving cars with Waymo, healthcare breakthroughs with Verily and isomorphic labs, and even climate modeling and quantum computing. The scope is breathtaking. Their portfolio approach means that even if some bets fail, the winners could be transformative, potentially reshaping entire industries and creating new markets. Financially, Alphabet's advertising business is a cash machine, generating the profits that fund its ambitious AI research and moonshot projects. This allows Alphabet to take risks and invest for the long term, unlike many of its rivals. Of course, risks exist: competition from Microsoft, regulatory scrutiny, and the ever-changing tech landscape. But Alphabet's deep integration of AI into products used by billions gives it a distribution advantage that's hard to beat. The current generative AI wave is pushing Alphabet to accelerate productization. We're witnessing decades of research finally being integrated into core products, making AI accessible to everyday users and businesses alike. If Alphabet can successfully infuse Workspace and Cloud with compelling AI features, and evolve search for the AI era, the growth potential is immense. The company could redefine how we work, learn, and interact online. And let's not forget Android, the world's most popular operating system. Imagine on-device AI that anticipates your needs, personalizes your experience, and keeps your data private, all while running seamlessly on billions of devices. Investing in Alphabet means investing in world-class research talent, proprietary data, a global user base, and a portfolio of ambitious AI projects that could define the next era of technology. It's truly an octopus of an AI company, with tentacles reaching into every corner of the digital world: search, cloud, mobile, video, health, and beyond. While TSMC builds the body of the digital world, Alphabet is building the distributed brain, an ever-evolving intelligence that connects and empowers everything. That's why Alphabet is our second pick, a company with the vision, resources, and reach to shape the future of AI for years to come. We've covered TSM's hardware and Alphabet's AI ecosystem, two foundational pillars of the digital world. But the story of AI's impact doesn't end with chips and cloud platforms. Now let's look at the mobile app economy, where 𝗗𝗏𝗦, ticker APP, is a quiet powerhouse. Every time you open an app, play a game, or shop on your phone, there's a good chance 𝗗𝗏𝗦's technology is working behind the scenes. 𝗗𝗏𝗦 helps app developers grow their businesses with a platform for marketing, monetization, and analytics, all powered by AI. Their tools are used by thousands of developers worldwide, from indie studios to major app publishers. Their machine learning engine, 𝗗𝗟𝗏𝗏, is a hyper-intelligent matchmaker, connecting users with apps they'll love by analyzing trillions of data points in real time. It's constantly learning from user behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns to deliver the right app to the right person at the right moment. For developers, this means efficient marketing, finding high-quality users likely to engage and spend. Instead of wasting ad dollars on uninterested users, 𝗗𝗏𝗦's AI pinpoints those most likely to become loyal customers, driving better returns on every marketing dollar. On the monetization side, 𝗗𝗏𝗦's AI-powered ad exchange maximizes revenue by running real-time auctions for every ad space. This ensures that developers get the highest possible value for their inventory, while advertisers reach their ideal audience. The scale is massive. Petabytes of data processed daily, creating a feedback loop that makes 𝗗𝗏𝗏 smarter and more effective. Every interaction, every click, and every purchase feeds back into the system, refining its predictions and recommendations. 𝗗𝗏𝗦's network effect attracts more developers, generating more data and further improving their AI. As the platform grows, its insights become richer, creating a virtuous cycle that's hard for competitors to replicate. They once owned game studios for first-party data, but have shifted to focus on being a pure software platform, making them a neutral partner to all developers. This strategic pivot allows them to serve the entire ecosystem, not just their own games. The mobile app economy is worth hundreds of billions, and every developer needs to acquire and monetize users. With billions of smartphones in use globally, the opportunity is enormous and still growing as new markets come online. 𝗗𝗏𝗦's AI solves both problems. It's a one-stop solution for developers looking to scale, combining advanced targeting, real-time analytics, and seamless monetization. Their technology isn't just for games, it's expanding into fitness, shopping, productivity, and more, growing their addressable market. As more industries embrace mobile-first strategies, 𝗗𝗏𝗦's platform becomes even more essential. As privacy changes make old targeting methods obsolete, 𝗗𝗏𝗦's predictive AI becomes even more valuable and future-proof. With regulations tightening and user data harder to access, their ability to predict intent without invasive tracking is a game-changer. Competitors exist, but 𝗗𝗏𝗦's focus on machine learning and its pure software pivot give it a distinct edge. Their relentless investment in AI research and infrastructure sets them apart in a crowded field. The 𝗗𝗏𝗏 engine scales effortlessly, leading to high profit margins as the business grows. As more developers join, the cost per user drops, and the platform becomes even more profitable. 𝗗𝗏𝗏 is positioned to benefit from the increasing complexity of the mobile market. Developers need powerful tools, and 𝗗𝗏𝗏 delivers. Their platform adapts to new trends, devices, and user behaviors, keeping clients ahead of the curve. Their AI isn't a feature, it's the product. Every aspect of their business is built around intelligent automation, optimization, and prediction. They're using machine learning to solve a massive commercial problem in a high-growth vertical. By automating complex decisions, they free up developers to focus on creativity and innovation. The biggest AI winners won't just be those building large models, but those applying AI to create undeniable value in specific industries. 𝗗𝗏𝗏 is a prime example of this targeted, practical approach. 𝗗𝗏𝗏 is the AI-powered engine helping thousands of businesses grow. From small startups to global brands, their platform levels the playing field and accelerates growth. It's a less obvious AI play, but deeply embedded in the digital economy with a clear path to profitable growth. As the mobile ecosystem expands, so does 𝗗𝗏𝗏's influence and opportunity. When you think about AI stocks, think about the enablers, companies like 𝗗𝗏𝗏, building the essential plumbing for entire industries. Their technology is the invisible force powering the apps and services we use every day. That's why it rounds out our list of top AI stocks for 2025. In a world where AI is everywhere, 𝗗𝗦𝗧 is the engine quietly driving the mobile economy forward. There you have it. 3 compelling ways to invest in the AI revolution: TSM, the hardware builder; Alphabet, the AI brain; and 𝗗𝗦𝗧, the mobile engine. Each represents a different layer of the AI stack, offering a diversified approach to this transformative technology. Building a robust portfolio is a marathon, not a sprint. Which of these companies do you find most compelling for the next 5 years? Or is there another AI stock we missed? Let's get a conversation going in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next video.